Hey, gang. Caffeine BS for June 4th, 2019. I just finished recording some hellacious footage. If my wife lets me use it at all, the audio gonna have a lot of beep. you know, identificating sounds will be beeped. Other than that, oh, it's situation comedy half hour worthy. I once told my wife, you know what we ought to do is just record our daily conversations, have them transcribed. It'd be bigger than Roseanne. And Roseanne was big then. I mean, not recent Roseanne. I mean, back when people cared about Roseanne Barr. Anyway, if my wife lets me beep, the identifying sounds and all that, it's going to be a scream. It'll have to be a million hits. Or you guys are using the wrong drugs. That's all there is to it.